Hello everyone, this is Riya. Welcome back to our channel. Today video, we have come to visit Cham village in Kampot province. Cham people are descendants of ancient people who've been living in this area for thousands of years. They are Cambodia's Muslim population. Most of them live in Kampot province. They are fishermen. As you can see behind me, there's a boat. They are ready to go to get the night catch. They will leave at around 5 o'clock in the afternoon and then overnight in the middle of the sea and then come back early morning around 3 or 4 o'clock. Cham people usually live all together in a village or part of a town, close to the mosque, which loudly plays the call to prayer. We were curious about these people's lives and wanted to find out how all that yummy seafood ended up on our plates. If you go to a Cham village in Kampot in the morning, it is a very quiet place, as all the men are sleeping after a busy night's fishing. Cham people also found in Malaysia, China, Vietnam and Thailand, but Cambodia has the largest population. It's all about 600,000 people. They make up 1 to 2% only of the population. There is no animosity between Buddhist Cambodians and Muslim Cambodians. The women spend this time cleaning, preparing and repairing everything so that all will be ready for the men to leave once again at dusk. After we visited their village, we got up very early in the morning. We went to see the small market where the fishermen bring the fish and seafood they caught that night. Good morning everyone. This morning we got up really early to come and check out bustling Kampot fish market. Every morning around 300 boats come here between 3 to 7 to sell the night catch. The fishermen give the fish to the wives, who then sell to a middleman, who then sells to the market. On each boat there are 4 men, a driver, a captain and 2 fishermen. Only the men go out to sea. they have to pay 1,000 riel, which is 25 cents, a day to dock at this market. When they have finished unloading, they have to move quickly out of the way so other boats can come in. The buyer also pays 1,000 riel in tax when they leave the market. The Cham fishermen can go out to fish every night in the dry season, but in the rainy season, when there are storms or strong winds, they cannot go out as it is not safe. They must fish at night, as that is when the fish come up to the surface and it is so much cooler than during the day. Things are just about finished here, so we're gonna go and get breakfast. I hope you enjoy learning about Cham's people in Kampot province. If you want to meet them, please consider to contact us for your tour arrangement. Please also subscribe to our channel to get more videos around Cambodia. Until next time, please stay safe. Bye bye.